firefighters are facing not just raging wildfires, but they're also battling so-called forever chemicals.
They're everywhere. The chemicals that helped American companies grow in the 1970s, 80s, and 1990s have been revealed to be dangerous for human health. The problem isn't just in the US, it's global. More and more sites are recognized as contaminated and need to be contained. What's the current way we deal with these toxic chemicals? They're dug up and hauled to be burned or buried in landfills. And this doesn't solve the problem, as these chemicals are now released into the atmosphere. There is a better way, designed by NASA, to deal with our own toxic issues. ecoSPEARS has the exclusive license to apply this new protocol to eliminate forever chemicals, sustainably and safely at a significantly lower cost to conventional methods. How does it work? It's a two-step process. First, of isolating the toxic chemicals, and then once they've been separated, destroying them through a green and sustainable chemical process. ecoSPEARS technology works in removing toxins from the sediment in waterways such as harbors and rivers, as well as soil washing for brownfields. Soil washing addresses brownfields and other contaminated soils, so land that is currently sitting and unusable can be turned around and decontaminated for development. ecoSPEARS has spent the last 7 years validating this technology and proving it at a number of sites. ecoSPEARS works with various US agencies and environmental specialists who are called in to assess and clean up these locations. And ecoSPEARS has a comfort letter from the EPA indicating that the technology meets the requirements for toxic cleanup, eliminating the ongoing liability for responsible parties. In 2024, ecoSPEARS has $8 million in signed contracts, $35 million for 2025, and projects revenues of $236 million in the next few years. ecoSPEARS seeks $32 million in funding to fulfill these contracts in 4 tranches over the next few years. If you're interested in being part of this $1 trillion market, contact us. We're excited to have you join as we bring an end to forever chemicals in the environment.